going to be doing right now is we are going to be creating a digital safety poster. To do this, we are going to start at your home page. And if you look, as I've told you before, you have the little squares right here. We're going to click the little squares and we're going to click on Google Drive to get to our Google Drive. What we're going to do right here is we're going to click the New button, and down here click More and go over to Google Drawings. Now, you have been watching all the videos about digital safety, about how to be safe online, how to take care of cyberbullies, how not to share information. So you have acquired a lot of knowledge over the last couple of weeks about how to be safe online and how to be a good digital citizen. So you are going to show me now what you know by creating a digital safety poster. Now make sure that when you get started that this is red, because that lets us know that we are in Google Drawings, and if we need to go back to Google Drive, we can click right there because we have the Drive icon. First thing we're going to do is we are going to give our drawing a name. So we're just going to call it Digital Safety Poster. And then you are going to put a dash and type your last name. That way I will know who it belongs to. To get started, I'm going to go over and show you what each of the tools do and how you can use them. First thing we need to do is we might want to put a title on our poster. So this is by using our text box right here. We're going to draw a square, and if you notice there's a plus down there in the corner, going to click it. Now you can see the flashing cursor right here, which lets us know that we can type. We may want to center this, so we'd go here to where it says Align, click, and put it in the center. We can change the size of our font by going over here, and here is our text color, and here is our font size. Remember, as we've said before, the bigger the number, the bigger the size of your letters. So I'll make it 36, and I can change what my font looks like by going here, and I can type in Digital Safety Poster. And if I don't want it to be black, I can highlight it by holding my mouse down and go right over here where it says text color, and I can change it to another color. Now this is here. Now we want to think about putting some pictures in. So here we can go here to where we see the picture. It says image, and we can upload from the computer. We can take a snapshot. We can do it by URL. We can look in My Albums. We can look in Google Drive, or we can search. In this case, we're going to search. Now, these images that we get from Google should be, as it says right here, are labeled for commercial reuse with modification, which means that we are not running into any copyright laws, and you did watch a video about copyright laws. So first off, one of the things that we talk about being safe on is on computers. So I'm going to type computers right here and click search. And here I get all these pictures of computers. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select one of these computers. Let's go with this one, a bunch of laptops. Get a blue check. It selects it, and you see it's loading. Now if you notice, I have these blue dots all around. This lets me know that the image is selected. By going up here in the corner, notice my arrow changes. I can shrink the image down and make it more manageable, and I can move it around. Now if you notice that red line that pops up, that helps me center it and arrange it on my page so it looks the best. So here I have a picture of computers and I decide, I'd like another one. So let's go get another image. How about a cell phone? Because we also need to learn to be safe on cell phones. So here we have cell phones. We'll take this one. And we wait, give it time to load. Now it's really, really big. So once again, we're going to shrink it down to where it's a size that we can use. And now if I wanted to make it a little different, I can notice there's that dot up here. If I can turn it and then arrange it a little differently and make it so you keep adding images. If you need to add more text boxes, you can. If you just want to use shapes, you can do that. And sometimes you can use call outs, which are the shapes that and you just pick one and then just put it up there, and it's automatically defaults to this light blue filling. And if you wanted to change the fill, that's right here where the little bucket is, and you could change it to another color. And then you can also put text in it by adding another text box, typing the word cell phones. And so now you have that in there. So this is what you're going to do. Add photographs, callouts, text, and use any of the tools that you see here. If we wanted to arrange, notice how this picture is on top of that picture. If I wanted to change that, I could click on this and tell it in order to send it to the back. And notice now this picture is on top. That will help with that. After you've completed your digital safety poster, you will open here and click Share. And you will share the poster with me. That way I can see it and see that it is what it's supposed to be. And you just click this and click Send, and I will get notification that it is done. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you.